In this video, we will discuss about GLBP, that is Gateway Load Balancing Protocol, and in this topology, IP addresses are pre-configured and EIGRP 100 is running. Now, GLBP is a Cisco proprietary protocol designed to overcome the limitations of existing redundant routing protocol. Some of the concepts are same as with HSRP or VRRP, but the terminology is different and the behavior is much more dynamic and robust. Now GLBP has two roles. First is AVG, that is Active Virtual Gateway, and second one is Active Virtual Forwarder, that is AVF. Now we will begin with the configuration of GLBP on router 1. So moving to router 1 and moving to the configuration mode, then enter. Now to enable GLBP on interface Fast Ethernet 0x0, then enter. We will use a command GLBP, then enter. Then group number, which ranges from 0 to 1023, and we will use here 1. Then we will assign the virtual IP of 172.168.101.1. Then enter. Then exit. Now GLBP is configured on router 1. Now we will move to router 2. And moving to the configuration mode, then interface Fast Ethernet 0x0, and to enable GLBP we will use GLBP. Then group number we will use here 1, then virtual IP of 172.168.101.1, then enter. Now GLBP is configured on router 2 also. Now if we will see on router 1, so moving to router 1, two messages get prompted. First is that for group 1 it has changed its state to active, and the second message is that Fast Ethernet 0x0 interface for group 1 forwarder 1 is added and its state is active. Similarly, if we will see on router 2, so moving to router 2, there is a message that forwarder 2 is added to router 2 and its state is active. Now to verify GLBP, we will use command show GLBP. So show GLBP, then enter, and here we will see that for group 1 the state of this interface on router 2 is standby and the virtual IP address is 172.168.101.1. the hello second is 3 seconds and hello time is 10 seconds, and in GLBP the preemption is disabled by default and the default priority in GLBP is 100. Now if we will see, there are two forwarders, forwarder 1 and forwarder 2, and for forwarder 1 the state of router 2 is listening, and for forwarder 2 the state of this router is active. And we can also see here that the virtual MAC address generated for these forwarder is, for forwarder 1 it is 0007 B400.0101. Here this 0001 is the group ID and this 01 is the forwarder ID. Similarly, we will see on forwarder 2 also the MAC address 0007.B400.0102, and here 0001 is the group ID and this 02 is the forwarder ID. Similarly, we will see on router 1 also. And to verify GLBP on router 1, we will use show GLBP. And here we will see for group 1 its state is active and the virtual IP address is 172.168.101.1. hello time is 3 seconds and hold time is 10 seconds, and the preemption is disabled by default in GLBP, and the priority is by default 100 and the wait is also by default 100. And the load balancing is used in GLBP is by default round robin, and the MAC address for GLBP is C202.035C.0000, and there are two forwarders, and for forwarder 1 this router is active and for forwarder 2 this router is in listening state. And we can also see here that the MAC address for forwarder 1 is 0007.B400.0101, and here the 0001 is the group ID, that is for group 1, and the 01 is the forwarder ID, that is forwarder 1. And similarly on forwarder 2 we can see that its MAC address is 0007.b400.01002, and here also 0001 is the group ID, that is group 1, and this 02 is the forwarded ID, that is forwarded 2. So, and in forwarder, that means in active virtual forwarder, the preemption is enabled by default. So this is how GLBP is configured. Thank you.